Do you have a nasty trim that looks like this? Awesome shower head that looks like this? Well, bring your shower trim up to the level of your shower head and your shower will be just such an oasis. So for me, this is an American Standard shower trim. You can see that right on the handle. I reached out to the manufacturer because I don't know too much about American Standard valves to see which trims are compatible. And they said, look, you got the R110 valve. You can use any of our single handle trims. Went to Amazon, bought this one, already installed one in my other bathroom and it looks amazing. So with just a few screws, I'm gonna have this updated like that and you'll see just how much of a difference it makes. So with just a couple of screwdrivers, we went from this to this. Looks beautiful, completes the shower upgrade. Just caveat, remember, always check what's the manufacturer and valve type of the valve you have in the wall because not every trim fits every valve. So best thing to do is take off the old trim, contact the manufacturer and ask for recommendations, what will fit the valve, right? Just send them pictures, let them give you the options, and then you check out the design that works best for you. And that literally took me 5 minutes to install and the shower upgrade is completed now.